Ready to make your text pop off the screen and grab attention with some seriously cool shadow effects in Adobe Illustrator. First, let's start with the classic drop shadow. Select your text and head up to the Effect menu, then go to Stylize and choose Drop Shadow. A dialog box will pop up. You can adjust the opacity, X and Y offsets, and the blur. The X and Y offsets control where the shadow appears relative to the text, and the blur softens the shadow's edges. Play around with these settings to find a look you like. I suggest to adjust X offset to add a little offset from left to right of your text, and Y offset from top to bottom of your text, and adjust the blur to your taste. Click OK when you're happy with the result. Next, let's create a long shadow effect. Select your text again, and we'll go back to the Effect menu, then we'll go to Distort and Transform, and choose Transform. In the Transform panel, reduce the number of copies to a number you can easily manage from 10 to 20 depending the length you want on your shadow, and then experiment with the horizontal or vertical scale to squash the copies. Adjust the X or Y direction until you reach your desired angle. Reduce the horizontal scale to 90% for nice results. Click OK to apply. To add some more depth, you can combine both drop shadows and transform effects. Experiment with these effects to create your own text styles and let your creativity run wild. You've now got the basics down for making some compelling shadow text effects in Adobe Illustrator. Give these techniques a try, and don't be afraid to experiment.